two stocks which are very hard to ignore. Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on this channel, and in this video I'll be talking about two stocks which are very hard to ignore because of the cheap value which they're offering right now. So what are these? Now let us talk about it. So the number one stock is Caloris. So Caloris is basically a footwear brand, and they basically have been into the market since I think the 19th century. And yeah, basically if you look at the report ratings also, in the past 3 quarters they have made a sale of $800 million, and that is why the company is booming a lot. And if I go into Robinhood, I'll also show you the current price of that. So the current price of Caloris is $23.08, as you can see right here. So even if I go to Robinhood and show you the price, you can see that Caloris is $23.08 right now, and in 1 year it will be going 4.93% up, as you can see right here. So I think that is a very good indicator of the stock. So even if you look at the ratings of the analysts, 4 ratings are there, 3 are saying buy and one is saying like do not buy right now, and the current price is $22.1, and the CEO also said that they will be targeting $37 of the current price, and this will be around like 64% growth. So the current price is 22.18 and it is expected to grow 46% this fiscal year, up to $32.80. So this is the current price which the company is targeting, and I think this is a stock which is very cheap to miss. So the second stock is Zoom Info Technologies. So Zoom Info Technologies is basically a cloud computing solution based company. It offers you like marketing, sales of cloud computing, and like helps in increasing your sales as well as decreasing down your revenue, decreasing down your overall cost of like taking a service, and also giving you profitability. So the stock value has decreased 47% in the past 12 months because of the recession market and that all stuff. And in the quarter 3 also they had an average revenue of $288 million. These also have 18 ratings from the analysts, which are 15:3. 15 are saying buy the stock right now and 3 are saying do not buy the stock right now. So the current price of the stock is $26.26, and they are expecting an increase of 56%, which will take the stock to $41. And whether it will go to $41 or not, that is a thing to see in the future. So this is it for the video guys, and I really hope you like the video and you get a very good understanding of two stocks which are very cheap but are very high value growth stocks. And do let me know in the comments below if you are investing into them or not, and I'll be very happy to know. And yeah, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.